Okay. Welcome to this live broadcast. This is Javier Orozco broadcasting live from the beautiful city of Monteria, Colombia. And it is about time to start with this live broadcast. My name is Javier Orozco. As I told you before, I am broadcasting live from Monteria, Colombia, South America. And we're about to start this topic today. Today, we're going to talk about what Bitcoin is quite relevant today. The 5 reasons or 5 things to watch about Bitcoin this week. As you know, Bitcoin enjoy a few brief minutes in the 60,000 range before a firm pushback sent the market tumbling once again. The price of Bitcoin starts a new week with a rare disappointment for your bull run in the fourth quarter. It fails to break the previous support, and the pair BTC USD saw a rejection at 60,000 on 2 occasions and has since headed below 57,000 as market momentum wanes. The skyrocketing Bitcoin prices can still be reached by the end of the month, while others believe that this bull market will take longer to develop than previous ones. So the first thing to watch is the 60,000 mark turns into resistance. The mood among analysts was simply it could be worse. After hitting 5-week lows of $55,650, the pair BTC USDT managed to recoup some of its losses. This is the first thing to watch. As you can see here in the graphic, how the Bitcoin is behaving today. Other years have seen a transformative price action, most notably in 2020, when the pair BTC USD rose nearly 43% in November. Okay, second thing, strange similarities, right? Well, it says, despite the frustration of a Bitcoin correction at exactly the wrong time, not everyone is surprised or concerned. Short time frames can paint a completely different picture of the health of the market than longer time frames. Okay, and this is what happened at 2017. As you can see, the graphic is pretty similar. So this may be happening this year as well. A third thing to watch for this week is the funds raised in rematch for 60,000. Despite losing the battle for 60,000, the process of trying to break out of lower levels has had an unintended impact on the derivatives market. When the rates are on the move again. It says that the fact that they are overly positive, as in the case with Bybit, OKX, and others at the time of this writing, suggests a bullish bias, that is, the expectation of further gains. The sell-off of timing. So the question is, which side of the market is running this week? So you can see here the liquidations, and the market is hungry for liquidity, decreasing buy and sell volume. The third thing to watch is the dollar is the star of the show. Their nervousness over the measures taken against the corona and the protests in response to them continue to present a mixed picture. With inflation already in the spotlight, there is now talk that the U.S. Federal Reserve, the Fed, will increase the pace of its tapering or reduction of assets purchases next month. If that idea is repeatedly spread and emphasized, it will increase the likelihood that the that is announced in December will be faster than the pace that was announced in nearly November. Well, however, the protagonist of this week is the US dollar. This month, the greenback has overcome long resistance and has reached its highest value since July 2020. Pretty good, pretty good. And apart from that, let's see something really quite relevant this time. It says the feeling says that the wait and see. And as for the mood of the cryptocurrency market, investors are undecided. The latest reading of the cryptocurrency fear and Greek index shows that despite short-term price behavior, the market will totally neutral. At 50 over 100, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is exactly in the middle of this possible value range, highlighting the lack of extreme sentiment. As you can see here, this may work in Bitcoin's favor, as last week saw jolt sentiment back into fear territory. So these are 5 quite relevant things to watch during this week. The first one, it has to do with the 60,000 mark turns into resistance. The second thing are the strange similarities. The third thing, funds rise in rematch for 60,000. The fourth thing to take into account is the dollar is the star of the show. And the fifth thing to take into account is the feeling says wait and see. You can see the price of Bitcoin at this time is about $54,600. The same goes to the Ethereum. It is about $4,000. Here is the graphics about Ethereum. As you can see, there is a clear tendency. The price goes lowering and lowering. It is a good time to buy Ethereum. And the correlation, as you can see here, it has a correlation Bitcoin with Ethereum. As Bitcoin goes down, the price goes down, the price of Ethereum goes down as well. So it is a good time, a good moment to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you are like trying to figure out when is the right moment to buy, this is a clear time to buy. We are just weeks ahead, and this year 2021 is almost over. So take a look at the links in the description in order for you to take into account a good alternative to buy. You can find my contact here at the description so that you can ask me any question about this stuff. I can provide you some info. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just explaining or saying what my experience has been with this crypto universe. As a matter of fact, this is everything I need to share today. Remember, this is Javier Orozco, and you can follow me all on my social media on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can find it out here in the description. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you can share it as well. Subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Twitter as well. Thank you so much for watching this, and have a great day today. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace.